Today we'll be checking out our new plugin, that's the OpenCart point of sale customer cart screen. Now this particular plugin provides facility to the customers by an interesting and a satisfactory checkout process with the help of the customer side facing screen. So basically the plugin integrates the OpenCart point of sale system to the customer facing screen. The customers can see the complete cart details on the screen. Apart from that, on the cart screen, the customers can see the description and the sliding images that have been added by the admin from the backend panel. Now, the sliding images can have the offers as well, and these offers would then be visible on the customer facing screen itself. So all in all, now for example, whenever the cashier or the POS sales terminal has added the products into the cart there, after that he can tap on one of the options of the cart screen, and that would display the cart screen or the cart onto the customer facing screen there, and the customers can validate the cart there before the cashier or the POS agent places the order for the customers. Now, after the successful installation of this particular plugin, that's the OpenCart point of sale customer cart screen on the POS terminal. As you can see right now, I'm on the POS terminal here. The POS terminal sale agent can find the customer screen option here on the left and bottom corner, and if I tap on that, that brings up the customer facing screen. Now on the customer facing screen, this screen would be visible to the customer. Right now there are no products in the cart, so that's why the cart is empty, and here you can see the title and the description along with the sliding images that the admin has added from the backend panel itself. So today let me show you the workflow of the same of this particular plugin at the POS terminal, and then we'll be seeing the backend configuration of this particular plugin. So for example, I'm going ahead and I'll be adding a few products into the cart. So let's add a few products into the cart. Let me add this one, and let me add this other particular product, and now let me tap on the cart screen, and on the customer facing screen you can see the details of the products that are there. That are the two products, that's the iPod Touch and the iPhone there. The price is visible to the customers along with the quantity. Here the customers can see the subtotal there. If any coupons have been applied, that can be visible to the customers. Apart from that, if any discount is there, that would also be visible to the customers along with the cart total there. Now the customers, after seeing this particular cart screen on the customer facing screen, can give an okay to the sales agent there so as to proceed further and place the order for them, and then the POS agent can proceed further and can tap on the checkout button here so as to make a checkout there successfully. So that's all about the OpenCart point of sale customer cart screen, and you can see that how the cart screen appears to the customers on the customer facing screen. So there's no need for any additional equipment there for the customer facing screen. You just need to have one screen there, and this would then be reflected over that particular screen to the customers there. Now let's hop onto the admin backend panel and let's see what different configuration settings are there for this particular plugin. So for that, I'll be logging into the admin backend panel for my OpenCart platform based web store by entering my username and password and tapping on the login button thereafter. After login, I'll be navigating through extensions, and then I'll be choosing modules, and here I'll be scrolling down to the POS customer screen, and I'll be tapping here on the edit button. Now this will bring up the POS customer screen module configuration settings, and here we have three different tabs. One is the general, descriptions and the slider, and the POS user tokens. Now under the general, you can enable or disable this customer screen module by choosing an enabled option. Otherwise, to disable it, you can choose it as disabled option. If chosen as enabled, then this type of a customer facing screen or on the customer facing screen, this particular type of cart would be visible to the customers there, and an option of the custom cart would be visible within the point of sale terminal as well, as you can see here on the bottom left hand corner. And tapping the cart screen would project the cart onto the customer facing screen, and the customer can find the details of the cart here on the right hand side. On the left hand side, he'll find the description, the title and the sliding images that the admin has added from the backend panel there. And these sliding images and the content can be set up under the description and slider section, so you can see that in a while from now. And here you need to enter the host name, so you can add your domain name or your IP address, enter that up. And now coming to the description and slider, here you can set up the description. So this was the header that we had set up, the same is visible here on the storefront as well, and by Webcool, and this was the description of the same, and the same description is visible here on the customer screen as well. And here we have also some sliding images that the admin has added, and here are the images that have been in the camera, a laptop image, and a tablet is there. Now the same is being reflected here, the tablet is there, and camera is there, and a laptop is there as well. Now the admin can add the offers as well, so that whenever the customer is checking the cart details on the left hand side, he can find the latest offers within your store there, so that they can come to know about the latest offers as well. Now coming back to the section, to add more sliding images, you just need to tap here on the add image button, then tap here to upload an image, and that would be saved, and then it would be visible within the cart screen of the customer facing screen there. So that was about the description and slider. And lastly, we have the point of sale user tokens. So from here, the admin can generate the point of sale user tokens by tapping on the generate button, and the same are visible on the customer screen as well at the top in the URL there. So yes, that was much about the OpenCart point of sale customer cart screen, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webcool.com, raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com. You can also contact us through https://www.webcool.com/contacts. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.